Researching means to simulate the electrical activity in hearts using supercomputers. I did my Masters in Computer Science at Liverpool, and I knew the staff in the department, so I chose to stay on here for my PhD. I think one of the best things about researching in this department is that the department is involved in really cutting-edge research. There are people here who are experts in various fields, and you feel that you're in the middle of a really thriving research environment. I make use of the university's facilities for high-performance computing, and the people who manage those are really helpful in getting my programs running or fixing any issues that I run into. I meet my supervisor twice a week, and we discuss any particular issues that I'm having and the next steps for what I'm going to be working on. She's really helpful in that she can kind of see what I'm likely to run into as a problem, and help me to understand better the things that I'm stuck with, that sort of thing. The thing I enjoy most about researching in this field is the opportunity to make a difference. I'm working on developing a piece of software that will hopefully be used by other researchers to study the effects of fibrillation in cardiac tissue. The thing that keeps me motivated from one week to the next is seeing my supervisor twice a week. It's a motivation to have stuff prepared for when I go to see her, to make it look like I've done something, and it's motivation from her to go and do the next piece of work. I've managed to secure a job already, even though I'm not due to graduate for another 8 or 9 months. My employer has sort of looked at the fact that I'm going to have a PhD and said, that they take that very seriously. They've offered me a higher salary as a result, so that's been very encouraging. Yeah. I think the advice I would give to anyone who was considering postgraduate research would be to find a subject that really engages them, because they're going to spend 3 to 4 years completely immersed in that thing, which is really freeing, but it also means you're going to spend a lot of time thinking about one thing in particular. So find a subject that really excites them and then throw themselves at it. My PhD has been financed by a doctoral training account from the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council, and there are a number of those types of scholarships available each year. On top of that, in this department, I'm able to do a little bit of teaching assistance, so I tutor for some modules or help out in the labs, and that's a little bit of extra cash, and also helps to shore up your knowledge in a particular subject by helping to teach it.